Want to know how to download Standard Bank app? You would want to download Standard Bank app to perform transaction anytime, even outside the regular banking hours. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to download Standard Bank app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Play Store app on your screen. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now search for Standard Bank. Here at the second, you can see the Standard Bank app. Tap on it. Likewise, tap on the install button to download the Standard Bank app. It might take few seconds for it to download. So this is how you can download Standard Bank app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.